You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Two different ways of pronouncing this phrase. In British English, it is normally pronounced as accrued depreciation, depreciation, accrued depreciation. In American English, however, it's usually pronounced as accrued. Same pronunciation here for this word. Depreciation, depreciation in American English versus depreciation in British English. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.